So Gloob was started in the year 2011 as a small garage setup wherein possibly every function of the company, that is sales, marketing, branding, designing, PR, everything was concluded in a 1,000 square feet office. We had people from different departments working on the same bench, right? And so it was a very chaotic kind of environment, but it was our zeal and enthusiasm which kept us going. And I recall that the very first deal that we got was totally by surprise. One of the founders went to meet a dealer prospect, and we just got a 50,000, about I think a lakh rupees check just by coincidence. And that actually gave us the germ of the idea that possibly if we put organized effort into this, the products that we are manufacturing can possibly help us make one of the most scalable channel networks in India. The home decor industry in India is not too organized, right? It does not have too many organized players selling products in a very organized manner in which the MRPs of the products are defined. Two, a lot of awe-inspiring things are not happening in India. If it's a very commonplace thing that whatever we see which creates an awe factor in us is 95% of the time it's something which is imported. We at Gloob want to change that scenario, that possibly 5 to 7 years down the line, if there's anything that an Indian consumer sees with respect to design that is awe-inspiring, it should the company that should, or the brand that should occupy the top of the mind should be Gloob. As of now, we stand tall at about 300 plus dealers with presence in approximately 90 cities of India. As well as, and in addition to this, we have franchisee presence in the Indian subcontinent, that is Kathmandu in Nepal, and also we have presence in UK, which is totally based on online marketing. We have grown our channel network almost 10x times in every quarter. Right? We are adding up about between 8 to 10 channel partners every month, which is a cataclysmic growth for any brand which is into channel sales or channel development. Having said that, I'm also very pleased and very proud to announce that as of now in India we have already made 4 stores which are totally dependent on Gloob for running their business. These are Gloob franchisee stores with showroom sizes of 3,000 to 4,000 square feet and upwards, which are completely dealing in Gloob products. About 6 months back, we had a strategic move of diversifying the business into different verticals. We see that home decor can be hugely changed by the advent of a lot of other factors like technology. In Gloob technology, we are making some cutting-edge applications which make the visualization of home decor products extremely easy and extremely convenient. We have applications that can actually augment the home decor visualization experience to such a level that the person does not need to go to the showroom. We try to bring the showroom to his home. The best part is that most of these applications are also friendly with respect to most of the other platforms as well as most of the other mobile devices, thus making the usage extremely widespread.
I can still recall the date when we wanted to move to a bigger office, relatively bigger in size. So we called up a couple of interior designing firms to get it decorated properly. We had a certain theme in our mind. We wanted to decorate it into a garden theme. We got a couple of proposals with different codes. Apparently we did not like them at all. So we thought, why don't we design our own office with our own ideas and concepts. So that's how it came into the picture. That's how we started with turnkey projects. Typically, a turnkey project would require a couple of parameters. To start with, the first is civil work. The second is electric work. Third would be plumbing and bathroom fittings and kitchen fittings. Fourth would be furnishing. Fifth is furniture and fixtures. And sixth is wall decoration. Since we are into manufacturing of wall decoration, since we are into manufacturing of furniture, since we are into manufacturing of a couple of other products like sculptures and decorative products, so that probably gives us the edge to be cost effective, to be prompt with respect to the service, to give wonderful products.
Seeing this cataclysmic growth, possibly Gloob should be the first option when it comes to creating out-of-the-box office ideas or office or turnkey offices for any of the startups or any other organized company. Some of the notable projects that we have executed are Topper, Tiny Owl, Ziffy, CoverFox, Asan Jobs, as well as Purple Squirrel. Now, most of these startups have been initiated in either in the latter half of 2014 or in the first quarter of 2015, and we are very proud to announce that seeing the growth story or seeing the execution that we have done for our existing clients, we have been easily able to get these projects, and all these projects are of the value of 1 CR or 2 CR and upwards.
Gloob as a company is more of a designing lab along with the manufacturing setup in-house. So obviously we like to make new products, new designs, and we also like to try our engineering instincts by making them in-house. One common vision which we always believe in is wheresoever you go with full heart.